Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down, click General. After that, click iPhone Storage. Here you need to scroll down and find WhatsApp. Click Show All and click WhatsApp. After that, click Offload App. And here we can read offloading WhatsApp will delete the application but keep its documents and data. This is first method. Let's try second. You need just delete this application and download it again. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.